In this HFM review, we will take you through the details of HFM. Although they have been operating since 2008, they are relatively new as customers have recently reinvented their offerings. With their new service and operation culture, HFM Broker earned several awards from different organizations as a token of their excellent service. Moreover, from our research, we have found that HFM is regulated by Financial Conduct Authority, Dubai Financial Services Authority, Financial Sector Conduct Authority, and Financial Services Authority. All these regulations support HFM's longevity, which we will try to verify through the following HFM review criteria. To provide you with an honest review of HFM Broker, we have looked at the HFM account types, spread, leverage, sign-up process, deposit, withdrawal methods, and much more. HFM is a forex and commodities broker that provides trading services to more than 180 countries. They provide brokerage service and facilities to both industrial and retail traders. However, they provide service through CFDs with access to unrestricted liquidity, tight spread, and many attractive offers. So, how can you access all the features of HFM? You must need an account to access the lucrative offerings. Let's see the details about the account. HFM offers 6 types of accounts, and here is the list. Number 1. Micro account. Number 2. Premium account. Number 3. Zero spread account. Number 4. Auto account. Number 5. PAMM account, which is premium. And number 6. HF copy account. These HFM account types are believed to provide the best possible trading conditions to the client according to the requirements. HFM also offers a demo account to practice before opening a live performance. From the name, you can understand that it is just a demo account, and you don't need to deposit any real money. With the demo account, you will get all the access like a real account, including access to the MetaTrader platform. Anyone can open a demo account in HFM Broker. However, the trader will not get lifetime access to a demo account. There will be some time limitations. To get you the HFM review, we have opened a demo account and found that opening a demo account is not a complex task. It can be opened by clicking on the demo button and then providing all the information. HFM Sign Up for Live account offer 3 different types of sign-up options, which include individual, corporate, and joint. However, to sign up for a live account, a trader will have to provide all the real information. For individual HFM Sign Up, the investor/trader will provide their personal information only, while for the corporate account, company details are needed. On the other hand, a joint account can be opened by 2 persons. Both of the owners will have the authority to run the account. Forex Sign Up requires some basic information from the traders such as name, phone number, email, country of residence, and date of birth. Let's assume you have successfully completed your Forex education through a demo account and have now opened a live one. So, how should you deposit, and how much do you need to deposit? Although the minimum deposit depends on the account type, HFM offers all the renowned money transaction options except PayPal. Besides, Deposit HFM is faster and available 24/5 without any additional fees. Like the deposit methods, withdrawal methods also come with a wide variety of options, such as wire transfer, Union Pay, Visa, MasterCard, and other online digital payment options. HFM leverage options offer floating or fixed leverage. These leverage options come in handy for smaller size traders. Besides, the HFM leverage structure intends to increase potential gains. Sometimes, the gains can be multiplied by a certain number of times. On the other hand, you should keep in mind that HFM leverage may work reversely too. So, it is necessary to understand the Forex tools to get the most out of them. Since HFM operates under different regulations, and all the regulations don't impose the same leverage options, so the leverage level may fluctuate from country to country. Therefore, it is highly important to know your underlying regulatory body. The European entity set up the maximum leverage ratio to 1:30 for the Forex trading and 1:25 for the metals and other stuff. On the other hand, South African traders can get leverage up to 1 to 200. HFM also offers offshore service win, in which the leverage ratios are 1 to 400, in some cases 1 to 500, or even 1 to 1000. When it comes to the HFM spread, they are transparent thoroughly. They usually charge a variable spread on trading, which is the difference between bids and ask prices. The good thing about HFM is that they do not charge based on the fixed spread. Besides, they do not charge any commissions or additional fees. As a result, your spread calculation stays simple. However, HFM spread fees depend on the account types. For example, the micro account spread starts from 1 pip, while the zero account offers 0 fees with average spread of 0.2 pips. HFM offers both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms. These platforms come with a wide range of opportunities. Besides, the platforms provide numerous tools and software to ease trading. MT4 and MT5 are easy to use, so anyone can use them regardless of their experience. Customer service is a key aspect of choosing the best Forex broker. However, our research HFM review has found that they provide top-notch customer support in 27 languages. Compared to the other brokers, the variety of support language of HFM broker is really impressive. Besides, we have also found that traders are oddly satisfied with the HFM service. However, they do not provide 24/7 service, instead, they offer 24/5 availability. Clients can initiate the live chat option if needed. By opening an account with HFM, you are not providing them with all the business. So, if you don't know how to do Forex trading, the HFM broker will not get any benefits from you. That's why they have included the education part on their website, so that you can learn from their educational videos, training courses, events, podcasts, etc. With the proper use of these educational tools, you can definitely make yourself a master in trading. They have some negligible disadvantages. However, we have mentioned them below. Number 1. Spreads are not the lowest compared to the competitors. Number 2. Customer service is not 24/7. Some traders may feel it as a con. Number 3. Offshore fees are higher. Our overall HFM review finds out that it is a globally operated best Forex broker, which offers one of the best services in the industry. Besides, the regulations and awards make the HFM trustworthy and secure. You can choose the HFM broker without any doubt and open an account from 6 different options and start trading. However, it is very reliable for traders who exclusively want MetaTrader as their platform.